Going to learn Odoo ERP system, how to download, install, manage, and how to work in Odoo ERP system. So there is a two version of Odoo available. One is enterprise and another is community version. Also, Odoo is available on a cloud-based system. If you want, you can get start a trial version or you can get a demo. So in this tutorial series, we will see Odoo community version. So first of all, you have to go odoo.com. It's our official Odoo website. After that, at the end in footer session is a open source and download button option. Click here. You will redirect to odoo.com/page/download. Here we have a option for download. If you want to download and install a specific Odoo version, then you have to go to nightly.odoo.com. It's a different version like 12, 13, 14. So currently 14 version. So if I'm going to 14, the community edition, and here is available like RPM, XZ, Debian. So let's say I'm going to XZ, and here we can see since 11 of December, so since 23rd of September to 11 December 2020. So here is the latest version. You can download any image or any build as per if you want a specific version or you find any news or anything related to. So I will download from Odoo official website. Let's go here. Your company name, let's say, typing here. Okay, first of all, you have to fill this form. Here I enter my company name, then your name, the phone number, email, and interest, like you're for using this, your company is a service or what else, and enter your company size. After that, next step, we'll install the latest version Odoo 14 and download this community because currently we're using this community version. We will choose download